Hey guys, welcome back to Cabby. My name is Cabby, and so today show you as you get Aloe VHS, better is required, not faking. Open this now. Wow, this is more easy better. Wow, this is much easy better cloners. Okay, so now let's make installing free. Definitely install free. Oh, let's make install free. Okay, so now. Okay, so now. Open the App Store. First. Okay. Mở tay đi. Okay. Okay, so now go to orgmod.net. Oh, free. Okay, so now this is university. Oh, with it. Okay, so now this is a revision visit tape. Oh, nothing. Starting modif. Setting the office final state. Orgmod.net. Lock it 3. Okay, start installation. Okay, so now install free. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and share and subscribe for me. This is much now. Bye bye. No! Version was lost. Watch free tapes.